Hey Lord of the Rings and Hobbit fans, Alfred Price here. Welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to show you another statue, and it is Gandalf the Grey from The Hobbit, The Unexpected Journey movie. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get right into it. And I will show you the art box first. And this is the front. Side. And that's the art box. So let's open up this box and I will show you inside, and then I'll get it all set up and show you some close-ups here. So let's open it up. Let's just get Lazy Susan out of the way here first. That was easier. Okay. Top. Off now. Yep. Oh wow. It's cool. It comes all in one piece here. Yes, he does. See, I want to show you this here first, if I can. That way. Let's just be careful here. This is being sculpted by Stephen Saunders. I'll show you here. Stephen Saunders, as you can see. Down here. I do have a Gandalf with the hat on already. I kind of like this Gandalf without the hat. And know it. See what it looks like. Oh yeah. You can see here's Gandalf with the hat, but I do like this Gandalf for some reason without the hat on. So let's give you some close-ups now. I'm gonna take the hat off Like the hat is actually magnetized onto his head, so that's kind of cool. But for some reason, I just want to have this hat off because I already have like a Gandalf already with this hat on. So like I said, guys, I kind of like this Gandalf without better without the hat on. So I'll give you some close-ups now here. Lots of detail. So his beard. There's a staff. And this is the staff version from The Hobbit. And this is from The Unexpected Journey. Lots of weathering in his robes there. I really like this one too, guys. This is awesome. And then I guess that would be his thing from his scabbard. Such a cool piece. Then he has his hood down, as you can see there. So he puts it up and then he has it over. No. What? Yeah, no hood on there, sorry. Just his robes just sweeping down. And lots of weathering on the bottom as if he's been on lots of travels there in his journeys. Very, very cool. Now look at the weathering on this. That is cool. And there's his portrait. Yeah, no, I like this a lot without the hat on. Another great job. This is so cool. And then his staff. His side profile. This is a really neat piece. You go up in here, you can see his belt. And then his oh, there's a glamdring right there with the scabbard. And this is just another belt just coming down there, as you can see there. That's pretty cool. Yeah, lots of shadows in there, so you can't, unless I go like that, get right in there, show you. Glamdring. And his hair. You can kind of see the weight in the staff there, as if so you can light up the insert there. You can see that's pretty cool. Oh, look at his profile there. Really like that. Very cool. So that is Gandalf the Grey from Unexpected Journey from The Hobbit. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of Gandalf the Grey. Comment down below what you guys thought of the statue, and like and subscribe. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.